guys. It's good seeing all you here and having you here today. But just to let you know, your moms and your dads, for those that your dads work here too, they are very, very important people to us. They actually make our job easier and make things happen for the county to be a good place to be.
We like to keep our county very clean and litter free, and we want to have a great place for you kids to grow up. That's our job.
I want to thank you for coming to the courthouse. I think it'll be a great day where you can work side by side with your parent who brought you.
Sitting up front here, we have our 3 replacements.
Yeah.